How to make a Cash App account under 18. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2-step. If you're under 18 and you also want to make an account of Cash App, then in this video I'm going to show you the process of it. Anyone over the age of 13 can now create an account of Cash App, but under the guidance of someone who is at least 18 or above. So let me quickly show you the process of it. From a Cash App, just tap on your profile icon on the top right. Now this needs to be an account of someone who is at least 18 or older. From the accounts section, you can see an option of family accounts. You can tap on this option and here it says share the benefits with family. And you can see all of the benefits that a person above 18 or the age of 18 can send to other people. Here are some of the benefits. Now all you need to do is tap on invite 18. This way you can easily send in the invitation link to join in the Cash App for someone who is under 18 and above 13. You can send it on various platforms, or if you want to just copy the link, tap on the notes option and you can see this is the exact link. You can just tap and hold and copy in the link. Once the link has been copied, now you can send this link to any other person that is under 18, and when someone joins the link, they can successfully create an account of Cash App under this account's guidance. So that was the exact process of making a Cash App account under 18. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.